My name is Bobby Herman, and I am the Director of Technology and Operations for a coastal city and the owner and operator of Prism Tech TX LLC. Last year, my home caught fire and completely destroyed everything that I had worked so hard for over the last 15 years. As this tragic set of events started to sink in over the next few days, I realized in a substantial loss that my Synology DS1512 Plus NAS data was at least the one possible material possession I could restore. I dug through charred and disfigured remains of the area where the 5-disc NAS should have been located. What I found was a physically and severely damaged piece of equipment. Looking at it, I wasn't too hopeful that nearly 9 terabytes of data in this soft RAID would have been recoverable. But at this point, I figured I had nothing else to lose, and at least asking Secure Data Recovery Services to evaluate it. About a week into having it, they told me they had a preliminary list to review. To my surprise, they had managed to recover all of it. I was thrilled, to say the least. I was, and I still am, very grateful to experience these kinds of results with their services. Having lost everything, this will at least help me establish a new starting place. Thank you again, Secure Data.